powerful flexo clip is an amazing standalone fidget tool. Rare earth magnets allow you to easily detach and reconnect the clip, creating tons of satisfying fidget moves. And on top of that, the magnetic clip is very useful too. The spring-like resistance of our banded stainless steel flexo shaft generates a linear force across your entire palm each time you squeeze it. Way more satisfying than any stress ball. The magnetic propulsion ring is the backbone of our patent-pending ink retraction system. The invisible force of rare earth magnets creates a floating silent spinner that can be pulled and pushed for additional fidget fun. A big fan favorite is the carbon steel sphere. Its silky smooth rotation discreetly satisfies the pin clicker in all of us. Free your imagination. Release your inspiration. Relieve your stress and anxiety. Think ink. Fidget for focus. To pick up the first pin that you'll never want to put down, support our Kickstarter campaign today.